you don't have a scanner and need to send in electronic copies of documents, here are some easy steps on how to do that. For iPhone users, you simply go to your Notes app, which is already installed on your phone. Create a new note and click on the camera icon. When these options pop up, select Scan Documents and position the camera in front of the document. You shouldn't even need to press any button, the app will take care of capturing the document for you. But if not, you can click on the circle button on the screen. If you're not satisfied with the document, click on the image and then the crop icon on the bottom left corner to crop or rearrange the corners until satisfied. Then press Done and save. It'll save within the Notes app, but if you click on the image and click on the Share icon at the top right corner, you can save it to your files or share it. For those without iPhones, there are plenty of apps with the same features. The easy-to-use apps Microsoft Office Lens and Adobe Scan are ones I would highly recommend. They both also have some additional editing options that are very useful. Next time you need to digitally deliver documents, try any of these reliable apps to help.